Top 5.
Vanguard. The skin-friendly nitrile vinyl gloves are very comfortable to wear. Different from the rubber gloves, these household nitrile vinyl gloves are latex-free and powder-free, protecting your hands for cleaning, cooking, resin, painting, personal treatment, etc.
Top 4.
Nitrile. These vinyl medical exam gloves can be used by emergency personnel, home or hospice care, lab technicians, elder care specialists, veterinarian and medical staff, and dental professionals.
Top 3.
Schneider. Made from a blend of PVC, elastomers, and other ingredients, these 4mm gloves are stronger than vinyl gloves. These exam-grade medical gloves provide affordable, yet reliable hand protection requiring frequent glove changes.
Top 2.
Care Plus. Perfect for everything from food handling and preparation to janitorial and housekeeping applications, these gloves are versatile and convenient in any setting. Dr. Green Panda. Perfect for people with latex allergies, these latex-free gloves will not cause allergic reactions. They are also powder-free, ambidextrous and non-sterile. For single use only,